What's happening, JPT? My name is Victor Gonzalez, and welcome to the third episode of What's Cooking at JPT. Today, we have an interesting show for you, featuring stories about the first JPT blood drive of the year, JPT's harvest drive, some sports news, and a man on the street about Thanksgiving. Let's get started with some sports news. JPT's swim team competed in both the 200 free relay and the 400 free relay at the FHSAA State Swimming Championships. They finished a successful season with improved times and are looking forward to next year. We talked to Coach Kenny Ellen, so take a listen.
So 2 weeks ago, our boys' swim team made it to states. We took 6 boys. They swam in 2 relays, 200 free relay and the 400 free relay. Making it to states is a huge accomplishment because at that level of competitiveness, it boils down to a tenth of a second being able to go and not to go. So we're very proud of our boys. They swam incredibly well. They dropped time. They improved their times overall. They finished in the top 24 in the state, so we're very excited and proud for them, especially since they're all returning next year. We don't have any seniors, so they will all be joining us again next year. The next step is to continue training. All these boys are club swimmers, which means they are year-round swimmers, so they are working hard every day of the year.
This past weekend, our boys XC team competed at the FHSAA Cross Country State Championships. We were slated 32nd and held that position of 32nd, led by senior Akeem Beckford with a time of 17 minutes 24 seconds. Freshman Jerry Pierre had a huge personal best, running 18 minutes 20 seconds at this meet, a 38-second drop from his previous best of 19 minutes 2 seconds. This is the first team since 2009 that has made it to the state championship meet representing Taravella. We are very proud of this accomplishment, which capped off what may be the best, if not one of the best seasons by our boys cross-country team here at Taravella. Here's a recap of JPT's accomplishments for this season. They won first place in NW Area School Championships, second place in team runner-up at the BCAA County Championships, and is in the first team to place in top 2 in school history. First place at the district championships and are the first boys in XC district championships since 2011. Second in school history. 6th place at the regional qualifiers and are the first Taravella boys XC team to qualify since 2009. From sports or extracurricular activities, JPT organized its first blood drive of the year recently. Here's a package by Abigail Rodriguez.
Every year, JPT receives at least 3 visits from the Big Red Bus. And Trojans never disappoint when it comes to donating blood to save lives. The first blood drive this year is organized by DECA's youngest sponsor, Ms. Paulinese, supported by DECA's sponsor and veteran teacher, Ms. Leviton.
So DECA and I have been champions of blood drives at Taravella since I started here 21 years ago, because it is so important that young people learn the importance of donating blood. Every time you donate a pint of blood, you can save up to 3 people's lives. So DECA and SGA and JROTC are taking it on this year to help make sure young people get involved in blood donation.
This year, about 130 students volunteered to donate blood. Most participants don't hide their pride to be able to donate.
I'm working on my 6th gallon now, so when I achieved my 5-gallon mark last year, that means I've saved over 80 people's lives.
And it's good for your own health and stuff, and food and stuff, so I decided it'd be cool if I donated.
Although his blood drawn process could not be completed successfully, he will be there next time to donate again.
My vein, while I was giving blood, actually moved. So I was a little bit disappointed afterwards, but I can try again next time and hopefully it'll go better.
Ms. Paulinese extends her gratitude to everyone who contributed to making DECA's blood drive a success. She believes that the impact is positive. This is Abigail Rodriguez reporting for JPTV.
Thank you, Abigail. Now, from our blood drive to harvest drive, JPT never misses the opportunity to help every Thanksgiving. Here's Abigail again with the story.
I want to thank you for all the life that we've shared.
JPT's harvest drive this year is a success, says SGA sponsor Ms. Santana.
This means a lot to me and to the schools, to the other families that are actually getting the donations, because they will actually have a meal to put on the table for Thanksgiving.
Thanks to the generous contributions of students and staff at JPT, 110 more families will be able to cook and share a warm Thanksgiving dinner with their loved ones.
Having like triple the food than we had last year a bunch more families can get more food than we have last year and everything.
Some people don't have the means to provide necessarily lavish or big meal for like Thanksgiving or Christmas. So I think it's really beautiful that we are able to donate stuff to a small part of the community.
SGA members have worked hard to make it happen, from retrieving donations from classrooms to organizing and packing the goods for distribution.
First, I donated my time. I've been here for 3 straight days organizing and retrieving donated stuff from classrooms and stuff.
Their ultimate satisfaction is the joy they feel to give back to the community.
I like seeing when people do harvest drives that they're all working together, there's communication, and that the school is very, very happy to do this. They're not glooming like it's something sad. They're like actually proud to do this, and that's really it.
And it just makes me feel good about myself to help other people and know that I'm helping them.
The first day we started getting stuff. The after school we went outside and there was a line of cars, and there was this one pickup truck, and this guy yelled in the most country accent you could possibly imagine. What is it called? You gonna need more than that? I got the whole pickup bed full. I'm like, yeah, that's it was, and it was like completely full. It was like stuff was spilling over. It was. Like,
this is Abigail Rodriguez reporting for JPTV.
Our last story of the show is our Man in the Street, where students express their thoughts about Thanksgiving. Take a listen. Hi, I'm Victor Gonzalez, Vice President of JPTV, and I'm here interviewing people about Thanksgiving. What is your name?
Logan.
What do you plan on doing this Thanksgiving?
Hanging out with my family.
Honestly, I have no idea. My parents usually go to like Boston Market to get stuff, but I don't know what they're exactly gonna do.
Getting thick. I'm finna eat too good.
Probably going to my grandmother's house and just relaxing there, I guess.
I think I'm going to my aunt's house in Fort Myers.
Help my sister cook with her Thanksgiving meals, and just maybe watch a few Christmas movies, even though it's like Thanksgiving. But yeah, have a good time in general.
I plan on spending time with family, eating a whole lot, maybe sleeping. Hibernation, eat then sleep.
Plan going to Texas.
For Thanksgiving, it's hard to say. I'm gonna spend time with my mom, my sister, my cousin, my brother, my stepdad, and my father.
What does Thanksgiving mean to you?
It's just a day that's happy. I get to hang out with all my extended family.
Being with my family, being grateful for the things that I have, and also anticipating Christmas.
Just be thankful for all the stuff you've had and all the stuff you've gotten in your life, and just celebrate that, I guess.
Being with people you enjoy, like whether that's friends or family, and just being like thankful overall and grateful.
Just spending time with family, hanging out with everyone, just getting together as a unit.
Thanksgiving doesn't just mean thankfulness, in my opinion, it's like a lot of food, but remembering people who traveled to America and did stuff.
Thanksgiving means when we have a dinner together while we're saying grace, where we're praying, you thank for God everything, and you'll be blessed with the Jesus.
What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving?
My family.
My friends.
My mommy.
I'm thankful for my friends and my brothers and money.
All right.
I'm thankful for all the new friends I made this year.
Genuinely, my family. I don't know if I can do life without them. I love them a lot.
Sharing a moment with your family and friends.
I'm thankful for my birthday, my gifts, my present, my money, and my dollar.
I'm thankful for food. And food. And friends.
And friends.
And food.
So I'm a Cowboy. We're all gonna say, "Go Taravella!" Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go Taravella!
Go Taravella! Thank you. Thank you. All right, Taravella. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you in 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking at JPT. Happy Thanksgiving.